Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our car game. In this video we're going to change the color of our car so that it's more visible in the map. So as sometimes when we pass it looks like a little strange. So now I want to change a color a little bit so everybody can have a car with its own taste. You can change it. All you have to do is open the inspector. From here click on the color and now you can put any color you want to your car. Well, now let me think. I like the green color. Yeah, I like the green color. Now, these are our packages, and this was just a circle. Thing that we don't need. Okay, now let's change some packages colors too. One of them will be blue. One of them will be yellow, and one of them will be purple. We can also change the color of our houses. We put this over here. Now let's make this house over like this, like the rich one. So okay guys, this was all for changing the colors of our games. See you in the next one. Bye bye.